Here we are in Plovdiv, Bulgaria, at our next Airbnb. Here's our room. 2 beds, closet, AC. Ooh, this is nice right here, and we're at a great location, like right in the center of the city. Got the bars and everything, literally right down there. This is nice. Down there, nice place to sit. Let's go inside, check out some more. I like that terrace though. So you hang another right. Whew, we're just following them. Hey, nice big living room. More views out here. This place is dope. Got the AC because it's 88 degrees Fahrenheit out here. Pretty hot day.
Finally made it to North Korea.
Tiny ass bathroom. But the rest is on this side. It's a little bit of weird design. That's a pretty nice shower though. I like the tile. Hey, check the drip. Brooklyn's finest. B.I.G. R.I.P. Let's go see the master bedroom. Aaron's room. Dang, these lights are tripping out. Sorry guys. Big bed. Pretty standard, but it all looks nice. I like that other side though. Hey, how much did this cost?
Hey, Miles, about to turn the AC on.
Gotta ask Bill, the Airbnb master. That's the driver. Aaron did a good job driving. We didn't have any close accidents.
Let's get it down to 10 degrees in here.
Hey, tell them how much this cost.
Yeah.
How much was it? It was like
95, right?
95, yeah,
It
with
was
everything.
Like 50 bucks.
95 US dollars for this?
Yeah, it was pretty. How was it? It was like 45 each. It was cheap. It was really cheap.
Sleeps, what, 4? Maybe even 5 with the couch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
And it's a
not
great
bad.
location. That's my favorite part.
Yeah.
Terrace and the
It'd
bars
be
and
really
stuff
good
right
if
there.
3 people split it though.
I didn't realize this, just found this out. There was a door right here from the living room straight to the terrace also. And then wrap around back to the bedroom. Whoa, what's up?
Come on in, boy.
Pretty nice. All right. So we got here a little bit late in the day and we're only here for one night, so we gotta go see some stuff. Let's go. Come with us as we go to the Plovdiv ruins, see the old houses, and just explore the beautiful city. And of course, we have to grab a drink of the local brew, rakia.